To say that we are facing a difficult time is such an understatement. Marami sa atin na nagsistruggle ngayon and lalong-lalo na ang mga farmers natin. Kaya dito, sa Melendres Farm, ating tutunghayan at madidiscover ang komunidad na binuo ng mga magsasaka upang sabay-sabay nilang maitaguyod ang kanilang mga hanap buhay at sabay-sabay maiangat ang kanilang mga produkto. At gagawa tayo ng mga putaheng magbibigay pugay sa kanilang pagsusumikap at kanilang mga sakripisyo. I heard kayo po ang nag-umpisa
Opo.
ng isang community dito.
Pwede nating masabi na ano na siya, community na siya.
Okay.
In agriculture, merong mga geographical advantages.
Okay,
Tapos
totoo
meron
naman po
ding,
yun.
let's say, merong crops na maproproduce mo dito ng maganda, pero hindi lahat. Like, let's say, romaine.
Yeah.
You can only produce the best quality romaine sa mountain province. Dito pwede na yung mga leaf lettuce, okay
Yeah.
lang yan. The ultimate goal is to again, bring clean, safe, and healthy food to every family. Yun
Yes.
talaga yung Melendres Farm. And
Kumbaga core nun.
yes.
Yes.
And to do that, we decided nga to partner with farmers and other communities. So, in effect, it's like we are a big community. And everything na natututunan namin, alam namin, sinishare yun. Not just in our own practice. Kasi pati
Experiences.
madami kaming natututunan sa
Yes.
mga farmers eh.
Yun po yung importance of having a network.
Yun po. So, sinishare
Change.
namin yung knowledge.
Yes. I am really honored na makilala kayo and marinig yung kwento nyo. But more than that, I'm really excited to see what else Melendres Farm can bring us.
Nakasalamat po.
So meron tayo ditong kaffir line. Compare doon sa ibang nasa family nila, mas kulubot yung itsura niya. Of course, mas malaki ng dihamak sa kalamansi, mas maliit sa dalandan. Normally, ginagamit yung zest niyan tsaka yung juice. Also, yung kanyang dahon. So this is something that I would wanna use kasi yung aroma na ibibigay niya sa isang dish, definitely aangat yung lasa nun. So kukuha lang tayo ng mga ilang piraso. Let's see what we can do with it. Bagong shoots. So meron din tayo dito yung kanilang sawtooth coriander. Medyo maliliit pa. But definitely we can use this. So parang nagkakaroon na ako ng idea with our dish. So we have here kaffir, yung leaves, and then we have yung coriander natin. Maybe we'll do something with a shade of green and yung vibrant color niya. Yun yung gusto kong i-highlight. So maybe we'll do a curry. This would definitely add flavor. So ito yung curry plant. Kadalasan, yung leaves niya yung ginagamit. Meron ditong bunga, alalay lang po kayong kainin ito kasi may lason yung pinakaboto. Pwede nyo kainin yung outer flesh, kulay black. Yun yung sign na hinog na yung curry fruit. But yun nga, we use the leaves and pag ginusumot mo siya ng ganyan, inamoy mo, automatic makikilala mo yung difference niya kumpara sa napagkakamalan minsan na kamyas. Very complex nung amoy niya. It's something na hindi natin maiko-compare sa mga local herbs and spices natin. And this is very good addition dun sa ating binubuong dish. Hanap lang tayo ng iba pang mga herbs. Talagang papunta tayo ng curry. So ito yung wansoy. Magkamukhang magkamukha sila ng kinchay, but the difference with kinchay is more on the garlicky yung kanyang aroma. Whereas ito, yun nga, medyo, sabi nila medyo amoy ng insekto yung lumalabas pag wansoy yung binibili nila. Additional tip, jargon lang din in the culinary world. For example, if a chef would say na coriander, we mostly refer to seeds kasi nagkakabuto to, ginagamit din siya as a spice for cooking. And then when we say cilantro, that's when we refer doon sa leaves. So same plant lang siya, coriander and cilantro. But if you're going to be very specific, pag nasa loob ka ng industrial or professional kitchen, yun yung karaniwang application. Coriander, pag yung seeds yung kailangan, cilantro kapag yung leaves. So, I'll need a lot of cilantros today. Bago siya nagiging buto, ito yung bulaklak ng cilantro or ng wansui. As you can see, it's very colorful, and what's good about this is it gives you that very subtle wansui, coriander, cilantro freshness. So kadalasan ginagamit ko rin siyang pang-garnish. Kadalasan, lalong-lalo na sa ibang Asian cuisines, hanggang ugat ginagamit nila. Just make sure na pag gagamitin nyo lang siya, you thoroughly wash it.